cats and kittens. I'm just messing with you. I always wanted to say that. Chris Payne here, C-Payne, C-Peasy, the Pain Train, coming at you from Casa de Pain, and this is the Coronacation Bar. I've missed being behind the stick. I've missed making cocktails, and I thought, I got nothing but time. I might as well make one here for you at home. This is going to be a mango, pineapple, and to spice it up, a little bit of habanero margarita. So let's get started. All right. A nice cocktail glass full of ice here. And we're going to fill our shaker with ice. I have chosen some delicious Lunazul Reposado. We're not at the bar. We're not measuring and counting, so we're just going to free pour. We'll call it 2 ounces of tequila. And then I've already made up ahead of time a pineapple, mango, habanero syrup to go in this, which I have right here, 2 ounces, pre-measured. All right, give that a little shaky shake. All that deliciousness down in there. And strain that out into our glass. I should do this for a living. All right, give that a little tasty taste. Cheers. Definitely a little bit of kick on the end. Sweet, pairs really well with the tequila. Try one out for yourself. Mango, pineapple, habanero, margarita. Cheers, everybody.